I just read a statistic that said only 2% of traders make money in the market. And that's a statistic that I don't want to believe at all. As a trader, I know you heard that statistic before, but you take on trading seriously because you still believe that I can make money in the market. And the thing is, when we start getting into the market trying to make money, we lose money. We lose money at the beginning, we lose money months in, we lose money years in. And there are things that we are not probably aware of that's making us lose on our trade. Sometimes you may think it's just probably the technical analysis. I just don't know anything about the market. I just don't know shit. And sometimes you beat yourself up, but you don't realize that maybe that's not the problem. Maybe you got the strategy, maybe you have the right teacher or mentor, but there's a little thing that you need to fix. Maybe there are little habits that you need to make better. On my journey to become a profitable trader, although I'm still on that journey, I've made a lot of mistakes. I've made a bunch of them on my trading account, a blown account, etc. And all of those mistakes, I keep thinking about it. I keep going back over. I keep trying. I learned something from them that's helped me be better in the future. So in this video, I'm going to give you 8 mistakes that you are doing, or 8 things that you are not doing that is making you blow your trading account. Without any further ado, let's get to the video. Number 1. One of the things that you are probably doing that is making you blowing your trading account and lose on trades is dreaming to quit your job and making millions in Forex. I am not saying that this is impossible. That's the goal for everybody. That's what we're striving to get to. But it's just not what you are imagining. And my advice is for you to stop doing that right now and then stop dreaming to quit your job and trading full-time to make millions. Think of trading and becoming a full-time trader and someone who is making money while trading as a goal, and then break it down into steps to get to that level. Forget about making the million. The millions may be the goal, but focus on the day-to-day goals, on the day-to-day targets, on the day-to-day tasks that you need to get through, the things that you need to do, the trades that you need to win. That's where your focus is gonna go. You should focus on backtesting. You should be focusing on bulletproofing your system, your trade idea, your trading entry. You should be focusing on strategies and how to improve as trader in order for you to get to that goal. Go the day to day. Aim for being able to make 10K in the account, on your account. Then move on to the next goal. Maybe making 1K a week. Then moving on to the next one, and then incrementally getting to that level, to a point where you know that, okay, if I stop working, my trading can cover my lifestyle, my trading can substitute my job. Until you are at that level, stop thinking about quitting your job and trading full-time. Focus on those things, and then once you start making money that is equal or more to what you are making at your job, then quit your job. And one of the reasons that you should stop dreaming to quit your job to make millions in Forex is that it impacts your psychology. It impacts the way you take trade. Because of that, you will over leverage. Because of that, you will take too much trade, right? Because you want to make the money quick. You thought it's easy, so you take sloppy trade. Take trade on strategies that you never backtest, etc. So focus on getting better and bulletproofing everything before you even think of quitting your job to go full-time, so that you know that, okay, I do have money in the I do have money saved. I don't have to worry about making money. This is the skills I want to gain, and then in the future be able to use it as much as I like. The second thing that I think you guys are doing that is making you blow your account is revenge trading after a losing streak. What happened usually when I lose for a long time, I start taking dumb trades, stupid entries that I should have never ever taken in the first place. And that's because my psychology has been hit, my confidence has been down, my faith in making money doing this has gone down. So I start being sloppy. I start not believing what I'm doing. I start not taking pride in my setup, in charting, in backtesting, in getting better. My emotion is heightened and I take poor trades. I over leverage, I over trade. The things that you should do when that happens, when you're in a losing streak, is get away from the screen. Get out, go into the nature. Go to your family, go to your friend, go out. Forget about trading for a day, 2 days, a week, and then come back to the market again. It's for you to just cool down and then come back and then be cool-headed and then go back in the market as well, so that you can take better trade, so that you are not, just being pushed by your emotion and taking trades that doesn't make any sense. Backtesting your setup more than 100 times. Backtesting is the thing. Like, you got to go back before and see what has happened before, because usually what has happened before tend to happen in the future, and then try to experiment with your setup or the setups that you are learning, seeing how many times it's working, and then understanding, okay, if this happened, this is what I should do. And the more you do it, your eyes get used to it. You make better decisions. You are quicker. You make it based off reflex. It's like anything in life. It's like going to the gym, right? At the beginning, you may suck. You may not be able to lift 40 pounds for bicep curl, but then you start with, 10 pounds, 15 pounds, 20 pounds. And over time, the more rep you put in, the stronger you become. The more reps you do for the push-ups, the stronger you become, and you do more push-ups. It's the same thing for the market. It's the same thing for anything in life. You just got to be disciplined enough to be able to show up every day and then do it over and over and over again, until it becomes part of you, until it becomes like a reflex. You know what is going to happen before it happens, until you master the market. So I think you guys should backtest a lot more than you used to, and then do it every day. Improve on it 1% a day, 10%. That's just better for your trading as well. It's better for your account, so you don't blow it, so you don't blow your money, so you become consistent. Number 4 is not having any social life by trading, meaning you sit in front of the chart 5 to 10 hours a day, just looking at the market, and then this causes depression, this causes isolation, this causes loneliness, and you become unfulfilled with what you are doing, and it pushes you into dreaming to make millions, because in life what we really desire is connection, is feeling needed, is being among other people, is socializing, is taking care of the people that we like, we love, right? And if you are feeling isolated, lonely, and it's a space that you are not designed to be in, your mind is gonna run away to the place that it wants to be in, which is, when I make millions doing this, then I'll take care of the other part of my life. But it shouldn't be that way, because the other part of your life impact your trading as well. If you are not fulfilling your life, it's gonna show on the chart. It's gonna show in the trade that you are taking. So being fulfilled in your life, being loved, being sharing, being generous, being kind to other people, and being present, it translates in your trade as well. It translates in the things that you do. You're happy doing your things, the things that you are doing. You may spend 3 hours backtesting 3 times a week. You got time to go out with your friend, with your family, and then learn things with them, etc., to grow in a different ways that you used to. So that's one of the things that not many traders, new traders, or people that are in a desperate position don't have any impact at trading, is not having any social life and just trading. Number 5 is not learning and growing as a trader. Most traders, they find one trading strategy and then they stuck to that, and then they take it over and over again every single day, same thing. But remember that same thing every single day, it's not going to work every single day. It's not going to work every single week. You start losing. And then when you lose, you are like, okay, this swing is not working, and might as well just quit it and stop here than losing my money. So as a trader, you should always be and want to grow as a trader and in your real life, because those things are together, right? So you want to become a better trader, so you gonna learn to become a better trader by watching videos, trying different things, backtesting, watching people that are credible that teach about trading. And then your social life, you improve that as well. Going to the gym, eating healthy, sleeping better. Those things are interconnected. They all go hand to hand. They are together. Number 6. Usually when I trade, I use Forex Factory, in which I open an account with them, and I go there for daily news and calendar, what's happening in the market. But also there are forums where retail trader go there, individual people, to talk about how they're feeling, their prediction of the market, etc. And one of the things I see a lot is trend line, and indicator. People trust it too much. If you trust it too much, everybody's using it. And then if you are like most of us, I don't know what kind of trader you are, but if you believe that the market is manipulated, that impacts it as well. You cannot trust trend line and indicator. Find what works. In my case, I'm trading using ICT strategy, which is focused on other stuff. I haven't traded with trend line for about 2 years now, and I've seen changes. I haven't used any trend line. The only trend lines that I've been using is Fibonacci. The only indicators I've been using is Fibonacci. I don't use trend line unless it's to like delineate big figure number in the chart. But beside that, I think trusting indicator a lot is bad thing as well. And find what works. If it works, fine, keep it up, but make sure it works. Don't trust it without backtesting it at least 20 times, and then focusing on understanding what is behind, what is the engineering behind all of these indicator, what they stand for, what they are trying to say, what they are trying to tell you. Number 6 is trading every single session. I trade New York session, but there are people that trade Asian, New York, London, and even Australian trading session. And then what do you expect when you trade so much session where they all vary? Sometimes you can take a buy on London session, but then to just have a sell on New York, which can potentially erase all of your setup. If you are a scalper, picking one session or two and then being able to manage it, which session fits your schedule better, which session has a better liquidity that you can walk around it, and then just making sense out of it. I think it's way better than any other thing. So right now I've talked to you guys about not dreaming to quit your job and making millions Forex, not revenge trading after a losing streak, not backtesting your setup for at least 100 times, your strategy, not having any social life by trading, not learning and growing as a trader, trusting indicator and trend line too much, and then following Forex Guru and their lifestyle, especially the one on Instagram with their Lambo, etc. It tie back to dreaming to quit your job and making million, which is not realistic in most of the case. Only 2% of traders are successful, and that's very small. A lot of people get into trading every single day or month or year. How can you be the consistent one that is part of the 2%? Is not by looking at someone Lambo on Instagram and dreaming to make it in a week or something. You don't even know what's going on behind the Lambo. Maybe they have it on list. Maybe they have some other kind of income. Most of these traders, they have courses that they are teaching, so they are making money other than just making money in the market, right? So following the lead and wanting to do everything like them is detrimental as well. And it's bad for your psychology. It's bad for your mental health. It's bad for your psychology as a trader. It's bad for your trading. So stop following them, unfollow them, or just be away from social media. You can use it for inspiration once in a month, but looking at them every single day, it makes you feel like you are missing out in your life. It makes you feel depressed. It makes you not being grateful of the people that you have in your life, of the things that you have in your life, because you are yearning for what they have. And like I said, our emotion, our psychology, our mental health shows in the market. So being able to not follow them and not look at their lifestyle, maybe use it as an inspiration once a month, once every 3 months, is way better than looking at it every single day and always feeling bad about yourself, feeling bad about your trading, over trading, trying to make million in a day, and then those things makes you blow your account. And those are 8 points. I hope there are 8 that I think you are doing or not doing that is making you blow your account. If you like this, if you like the video, like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment about what you learned. And until next time, I wish you safe trading and have a good night.